Ever wondered what makes a YouTube thumbnail pop? It's all about bright, contrasting colors and bold text. Keep it short, 3 to 5 words max, and make it readable. Show some emotion or expression on faces for that extra click. Focus on what your video is about. Make it clear. Consistency is key. Stick to your style or branding. Want to make one? Start with a thumbnail maker tool. Canva, Adobe Express, or even Photoshop for the pros. Design with a striking background and bold text. Add faces or cutouts for that personal touch. Use your brand colors or logo to stay recognizable. Download it as a high-quality PNG or JPG. Upload it to YouTube and watch the clicks roll in. Pro tip: test different designs with TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Keep it simple and make sure it's readable on small screens.